Hello and good evening to Nos and Llawen, Croeso. First we're going to have Meg, Seren, Ella and Emma doing a little light show thing.
I thought I'd keep it as a pet and let it sleep with me. I made it some pajamas and a pillow for its head, but last night it ran away before it went to bed. Remember the 5th of November, gunpowder treason and plot. I see no reason for gunpowder treason to never be forgot.
We are the awesome dancers.
Yeah! And Ella. And Ella.
And Ella.
Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. You're right, don't fail, don't let them know. Oh, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. You're the perfect good is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.
It's good.
Yeah,
I need my special.
We've got active. To the cold. Down there were just 4 speckled frogs. For little speckled frogs sat on a stand, eating some quite delicious flies. Yum, yum. One jumped into the cold. speckled frogs. Three little
You're dead.
sat on a speckled log, eating some quite delicious flies. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool, and there were two speckled frogs. Flop, flop. Two little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log,
Oh, my legs.
eating some nice delicious flies. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool, and there was just one speckled frog. Yum, yum. One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some nice delicious
Oh, no.
flies. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool, then there were no more speckled frogs.
No.
Oh, my legs.
The speckled frogs are extinct now.
Five giant speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious frogs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool, then there were no more speckled frogs. Four little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious frogs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool, now there are just three speckled frogs. Glop, glop. Giant speckled frogs sat on the speckled log, eating some most delicious fries. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool, now there are just two speckled frogs. Glop, glop. Two little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious frogs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool, now there is just one speckled frog. One giant speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious frogs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool, now there are no more speckled frogs. Giant speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious frogs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool, now there is no more speckled frogs. Four little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious frogs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool, now there are just three speckled frogs. Glop, glop. Two little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious frogs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool, now there is just one speckled frog. One giant speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious frogs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool, now there are no more speckled frogs.
Eco point.
Are you an elephant? An elephant with your trunk. And you're friends with me, and I'm not an elephant. Okay, you're back to the elephants now. We have a particular person that's been annoying us for the whole of the time while we were making things. So we went, we're going for you first. And that's Anton, he's like, apparently we're sent to come, so we're going to go for him first.
You're going to plan.
Yeah. And he's wearing grey, which is a very, like, colour. A monochrome colour. Yeah. But
You realise what the plan is.
yeah, we told him, we'll go for you first. Come on. What key, yeah?
It's like got the elephant tail as a headband.
Ella. There you go, it's fine.
So okay, let's have a circle so we can see how many we've got. We don't want to lose anyone.
Guys, just lie down, lie face down.
Austerity, because it's very
Let's make a circle.
okay. So a few details that are really important now before we count and set you off. Can you all see the wall there? Yeah. Right by that wall there's a little stream or river, there's a little one. So that's the boundary on that side, don't go out of the gate. The path here is the boundary on this side. So that's two boundaries.
Yeah.
They're very clear. The next two are a bit less clear, but it's basically a large square using that wall and this path. So if you look, there's a tree here that has fallen down. You see that one there that's lying down? That's basically the final boundary on this side. So a line opposite the wall. And then on that side, can you see that there, just for a minute mate, that there's a birch tree lying down on the ground up there, almost at the top of the slope?
Yeah.
That's the boundary on that side.
Right up the high one.
That tree, and right up at the top, halfway up the slope, can you see that one? That's the boundary at that side, so the top of the slope basically. If you've gone over the brow of the hill, you've gone too far. There is also, you really need to know these boundaries. It's really important to help people getting lost or wandering onto the road. At that end, there is a road. If you get as far as the road, you've seriously, totally gone too far. So definitely turn round. But really, this is the edge. Is everyone happy with the boundaries? Yeah. Our well is going to be at base camp, which is just here by this stone. And she's going to be the person holding the ivory. So if you're an elephant and your ivory has been taken, bring it back, come back to Awal, she'll give you some more ivory.
Can the hunters kill our well? No. Can the hunters kill our
Awal
well?
is like a,
can't
not
kill
really in the
Tina
game, she's like a hologram, she's not
Not a real person.
cyborg, yeah? Okay, and what else do I need to say? This is also where the prison will be if you are a hunter who gets brought back. An hour will keep you guarded for a couple of minutes before letting you out again. Yeah, you keep make sure 3 minutes.
I can hear your family.
If
Gwerin!
Ella.
You know, like how if one of the elephant hunters get caught, then there's 3 hunters left. Can the hunters go in a 3 to go and kill someone, or does it have to be a 2?
It has to be a 2, so if you're with a hunter who's been caught, you might just have to come back with them.
Okay. So like spending quality time together.
Planning your next strategy. But then what we're going to do is...
Dead elephants.
Dead elephants.
If
elephants get caught and your ivory is taken away, you just need to come back and get a new ivory from our. If you hear, have you got a whistle?
Yes.
If you either of you hear that whistle, or if you hear people shouting, "Gwerin!" Yeah, shout a Coed, but come back here because that means we've probably been playing for about half an hour and we need to talk about how it's gone and if there are any changes that need to happen in the game and that kind of thing. Yes?
Go!
Okay, are we ready? Wait, don't set off yet. The elephants are going to get a head start so they can go and hide. And then Carolina will then set off the hunters and give them a chance to try and catch some elephants. And then the eco guards in a little bit after that. Okay, so elephants, let's go and hide.
We have strength here and a first aid
Rhino elephants!
Let's wait. Eco warriors, have you gathered yourself? Because you're only going to go with another little delay because first of all you have to realise that there's a problem. So we wait until the first ivory comes back, until the eco warriors go. So hunters, there is some money to be made.
Oh yeah, make sure you get
And your families are hungry and they need food.
The hunters are coming to kill you all!
Great accent.
I am very hungry.
Great accent.
What if you get nails on it, so I don't have to
For your life with you! Run! Why does he want to run? Why does he want to run? Why does Matthew
die?
Matthew's
I'm
too
hungry.
fast.
Wait.
Oh, great.
Graham, have you been caught?
Ah, come on, Eco God, we have to save you.
Yes, elephants are very small children.
Stop looking at them.
Oh no, I don't know.
Stop looking at them. Look that way, look at them.
Why does
Be real. The elephants are too fast.
Yeah, but they will say when they all. No one said anything about plans. We have so much feedback together now. This is so much.
Okay, who should we focus
Try and form a circle, everyone, because we need to hear what everybody is happening.
Thomas! Circle! Kite!
Can we make one circle, please? If you're
Owen!
in the middle of the circle, you need to move.
Max, get back here.
Megan, here, there's more space here. More space here.
Owen, you're in front of people. Come and stand in a space.
Owen wants to sit. He's shattered. A shattered hunter.
He's dripping with sweat.
That's good.
No wonder he was doing most running robbery.
Let's hear all about it then. Do you want
Yeah. Well, I think we actually ended up with quite a lot more hunters than we thought in the beginning. So can we just get a show of hands? 8 hunters. And how many elephants did we have? 8 hunters versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 versus 8.